Welcome to my channel, where we talk about building a life you love. Today, we're going to talk about the key steps you can take to create a life that brings you joy, fulfillment, and purpose. Step 1. Know your values. Building a life you love starts with understanding what matters to you. Take some time to reflect on your values, and think about what you want to achieve in life. Step 2. Set goals. Once you have a clear understanding of your values, it's time to set some goals. Think about what you want to achieve in the short term and long term, and set realistic and achievable goals that align with your values. Take action. Building a life you love requires taking action. Break down your goals into manageable steps, and take consistent action every day towards achieving them. Step 4. Cultivate relationships. A fulfilling life is not just about achieving your goals, it's also about building meaningful relationships with the people you care about. Cultivate relationships with family, friends, and mentors who support and inspire you. Try new things. Building a life you love means exploring new opportunities and trying new things. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and pursue new interests or hobbies that can bring you joy and fulfillment. Building a life you love takes time and effort, but it's worth it. By knowing your values, setting goals, taking action, cultivating relationships, and trying new things, you can create a life that brings you joy, fulfillment, and purpose. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you. Now, let's dive deeper into the key steps you can take to build a life you love. Take care of your health. Your physical and mental health are critical to building a life you love. Prioritize healthy habits such as exercise, sleep, and self-care, and seek support from healthcare professionals if needed. Step 7. Embrace failure. Building a life you love means being willing to take risks and embrace failure as part of the process. Learn from your mistakes and use them as opportunities to grow and improve. Step 8. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful tool for building a life you love. Take time to appreciate the good things in your life, and focus on the positive aspects of your experiences. Step 9. Give back. Building a life you love means contributing to the world around you. Find ways to give back to your community, whether through volunteering, donating to charity, or simply showing kindness to others. Step 10. Celebrate your successes. Finally, building a life you love means taking the time to celebrate your successes, both big and small. Recognize your achievements and take pride in your accomplishments. Remember, building a life you love is a journey, not a destination. By following these key steps, you can create a life that brings you joy, fulfillment, and purpose. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.